I woke up like this because, well, I'm terrible and I sleep with my makeup on. So these eyebrows are yesterday's. These eyelashes are the husk of what was once there yesterday. I'm gonna remove that and start fresh. So to remove my makeup, I use the Simple Micellar cleansing water and a cotton pad. I start with wiping off what's on my eyebrow. I feel like I should do a get ready with me and talk to you guys instead of just doing my makeup. Lately, I've been kind of struggling with my diet. I haven't been gaining any weight, which is awesome, because that was always the first thing that would happen when I started dieting for like a week. I would just gain back everything that I lost right away. But I've been on a pretty long plateau. I'm actually going to make a video talking all about it because I have all the time in the world right now because of what's going on. I actually work retail at a grocery store, and it's just been so weird lately. Everything is getting more strict by the minute, and it just doesn't really feel like your job anymore. And I decided that I would just stay home for this 2 weeks, stay safe, and focus on this. So they took that very well, and I think that's awesome. So expect more videos than usual right now because I have so much time. I took off my eyebrows. As you can see, I still have eyebrows. They're just very not fantastic. I mean, they're not terrible, but they're not fantastic. First of all, most of these products are drugstore products because I'm not a Sephora or Ulta shopper very frequently. I only go every now and then because I haven't yet jumped into the beauty world like that, which I'm open to it, I just haven't done it yet. So basically this is going to be a very cheap, very simple, very easy natural makeup look. Basically a no makeup look, because I'm just going to accentuate my natural features and cover up some of my least favorite features and we'll call it a day. I'm also not great at makeup and I have a lot to learn, but this is just my realistic natural makeup routine. This is literally what I do every single day. First, I'm gonna start with something to moisturize because I have very dry skin, which has gotten better as the temperature outside gets warmer, but I'm going to use this to help apply the concealer because those areas are pretty dry and I just want to make sure it applies smoothly. But I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it because it recommends that you shake it. I'm gonna put my earrings in too. I can do that now. You guys might know that I used to have gauges. I had a 2 gauge and I was deleting footage on my memory card today so that I could make space for a couple videos that I plan on filming. And I realized that I have an unfinished how I closed my gauges video, or how long it took basically. It's not like I hated them, it's not like I didn't like having them, because I did. I had them for many years, since like 2011 to last year. So 2011 to 2019. I actually got these earrings at World Market for $4 and I love them. And they're nickel free because your girl's allergic to nickel. And I would either get an ear infection, like a piercing infection in the hole, or a rash, and it's very pleasant. And I'm sure a lot of people out there have the same problem because it's a very popular thing. I need to just put something on my lips. They're so dry and it's bothering me. So first we're gonna start off with the concealer, and I really only use it in 2 spots. And they're both around my eyes. So I like to use it here and here, where I have a little bit of redness, and I've already addressed this before, but I don't have a black eye, guys. My skin is just so translucent. Let's get started. So this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I've been trying to get brands that are cruelty-free. You guys are gonna see that the amount of makeup that I put on is like microscopic. Let's get real close. So I literally apply the smallest amount. I do a dot there, a dot there, a dot there, and a dot there. Because I've found that the more makeup I wear, the more problematic my skin is. And I'm just going to use this brush that is like from a Walmart beauty kit from like I don't know how many years ago. I need an upgrade, guys. You know what? This is the perfect opportunity for you guys to recommend some good stuff to me. Comment below if you think that I need to switch up some things and what I need to switch to. So I do like a sweeping motion back and forth lightly to kind of make a little bit go a long way. I've heard that it's bad to pull on your eyes, so I just make sure I do it very gently. Better already. I don't look as tired. So the next thing we're gonna do is the eyebrows. I don't know why I zoomed out because we're gonna zoom right back in. So I've actually gotten requests to show how I do my eyebrows, and the way I do it is not the conventional way. I actually use the, God, you can tell this is old and disgusting. I use the Naked Basics palette by Urban Decay. This is just the first one, the basic one. As you can see, this thing is old, but I go in with Faint, which is that brown color. I really need an upgrade. There are two products today that I'm gonna use that did come from a beauty store. So this is from Sephora. I use an angle brush from that Walmart beauty kit that I was talking about. This is why I never wanted to do a get ready with me, because I feel like I don't use the typical stuff that a beauty guru does. I mean, the good thing about that is I don't claim to be a beauty guru. But anyways, with my eyebrows, I always start on the outside / middle area because I like to fade out to the middle so it looks more natural. That's not as good as it normally is. I swear. Every time I go to record, it just goes to crap. Like, what? That's not right. It's not supposed to look patchy. It's because I just... Let me show you what I do when it starts to turn out patchy, because apparently I can't just do things right on the first time here. So I'm gonna remove it again. I'm gonna use more of the... This wouldn't happen if I removed my makeup at night before going to sleep. My eyebrows would be fresh and ready to go when I need them to be, you know? Let's start over. So what I do when that doesn't work is I take some water. I have a water bottle just for this. I take some water and I just dunk my brush in it like we're water painting. Make sure to get off a lot of that excess water because you only need a little bit. For some reason, this just helps the product do what I need it to do. Oh yeah, it's showing up now. This already looks 1,000 times better, holy sh**. Wow, the difference is astounding. Look at that perfect brow and compare it to the other one. So once I've done both eyebrows, I look at them and I'm like, okay, do I need to go back and do I need to go back and edit anything? And for the most part, I think we're good. There's just one little thing I can do to this one to kind of fix it a little bit. Now that we've done the eyebrows, we're going to use my favorite mascara ever. This is the NYX On The Rise mascara. It's a volume and lift mascara. I've been looking for a mascara that does both things, which lengthens and volumizes the lashes, and this does the job. It's perfect. And it's another cruelty-free NYX product. This one's a brand spanking new one. I just bought this. Sometimes I curl my lashes, sometimes I don't. Basically, if I wake up with really wonky eyelashes that day, I curl them. But if not, I don't really mess with it. I usually wake up too late to take forever to get ready for work. So I always start with doing the separating and upward strokes, and then I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit and move on to the next eye. I'm always getting mascara on myself. Is that something that everyone struggles with, or is it just me? Because I feel like every makeup video I watch on YouTube, nobody freaking does that. Nobody gets it on their eyelid. I'm like, this is not relatable. I'm kidding. Y'all probably just mastered it and I just can't figure out how to master it. All right, so what I do when I come back is I don't go in for any more product. I just get the top, because sometimes you miss that going from the other side, and then I comb it back up from the other side, because if you don't comb it back up, sometimes it just looks a little wonky. But especially with like a fiber mascara, it helps to do this last step to get the fibers on the end to stand up. So I'm only doing the top lashes because every time I do the bottom lashes, it looks great for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna let that dry before I go in with the Q-tip, because I don't want the Q-tip to like stick to the product while it's drying, and I don't want to wipe off the product accidentally with the Q-tip. The last step of my makeup is going to be another beauty store product that you cannot find at the grocery store or the drugstore. The Josie Maran Lip Plumper. It's basically a balm that plumps your lips, and this one does have a pink color to it. It's a very nice pink color, and I am not one that can commit to wearing lipstick all day. So if you ever see me in a video wearing lipstick, I had taken it off right after that video. But this is more subtle, so I'm cool with it, and the way that you apply it, you don't even have to put a lot on. I already have the smallest amount of chapstick on, but I'm going to dab this on. As you can see from comparing the top to the bottom, it's pretty much the exact same color. It's just bringing a little more life to my dead looking lips. Oh yeah, my lips are getting that tingling sensation, which means it's about to plump up my lips. I'm gonna go through and get the excess mascara. And now for the final touch. No makeup look is complete without the hair aspect of it. So today I woke up with decent hair. I mean, it's not crazy, but I haven't brushed it yet. So we're gonna brush it and possibly do something to it to make it look nice. Guys, look how long my hair is finally getting. And it's getting so much healthier too, because I stopped dyeing it a long time ago. I did a very meh video of me reshaving my side cut, and you couldn't really see what I was doing. So comment below if you want me to do that again, but better. I'm gonna go in with my straightener very, very, very briefly on just the parts that need a little bit of attention. I'm kind of looking at those brushes that kind of give you a blowout look. Let me know in the comments if you have one of those or if you've used one, because I want to know if they work well or not, because I'm worried that it'll get caught on my split ends, but you don't know until you try. Basically, I don't go for the 100% straight look. I just go for the, it looks healthy and kind of wavy look. And every time I do the headband, I always take like a little piece and bring it out. And I always have to end up going back and tucking these ones back in. This is what I look like most of the time now, because I like to keep my bangs back and out of my face. Thank you guys so much for watching and just being there for me to talk to.